Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenFit 2 Plus earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Samsung Smart TV via Bluetooth. First thing we want to do is put these earbuds into pairing mode. So both the buds are in a case. I'm going to open up the lid here. I'll know it's in pairing mode if the light here is blinking green, orange, green, orange, green, orange. But I get a solid green light and then it turns off. The reason for me is because it's connected to one of my phones. So for me, let me manually put this into pairing mode. So both the buds are in a case and you have a little button right here. I'm going to press and hold that button until the light here starts blinking orange, green, orange, green. Button here, press and hold, keep holding. Wait, there we go, orange, green, orange, green. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's shoot over to our Samsung TV and go to settings. You can click on the settings button on your remote if you have it. If not, go to the home page, click on the home button on the remote, and then you want to navigate to the settings. On this one, I'm going to go left and then all the way down to settings. Select that. And then I'm going to select all settings right there. From here, I'm going to go down one to sound. I'm going to select that. And now it says sound output is coming out of the TV speaker, but we wanted to come out of these earbuds. So let's select sound output. We're going to go down to Bluetooth speaker list. Select that. And now, see that spinning thing up there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, which is about 35 feet or 30 feet Bluetooth range. Okay, so let me see if it found it. Oh, there you go right there. It needs pairing. Highlight it. Click on OK on the remote. Pair and connect. Voila, we are connected, ready to go. Now, I should say connected as well. All these other ones are just paired, all these headphones and earbuds, but these SHOKZ are connected right now. Pretty simple. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always perform a factory reset. If you need to do that on these, look at the link below. Look for that link in the description area below.